I recreated myself in 5 different animation styles using Pencil. Stick around and find out how. I did everything in Pencil's incredible feed variation tool using one spreadsheet. We did this in 2 parts. First, I generated my images and used a style reference to do this, and then I came back and generated my videos with a script reference. In my style reference, I set up a column with 5 different descriptions of style. We had 80s, 90s high energy anime, we had CGI style, we had cell shaded, we had claymation, and then we did vector style animation in the style of corporate e-learning. We took this information and we used this with Pencil's image agent. So I opened up a cell, came to the drop down and use agent. I selected image generation as my agent choice, and I uploaded a photo of me in the attachments. Then I wrote a prompt explaining how I wanted that to convert to the different visual style that I referenced from the right cells for those style descriptors that we already entered. Selected GPT image as my model because it is the best by far for style referencing, and we got my 5 different options. So there is my anime, we've got our CGI, we've got our cell shaded, my least favourite, least flattering is claymation, and then we've got the vector style. These are now going to serve as the start frames for our animations. This will combine with the script that I've entered together chunk by chunk. I know that I want to use these in sequence, so we've got different extracts of the script in different places, and this is going to be a welcome to the Pencil community platform. Then I've come into an empty cell and I've selected generate video this time. The information that I need to put in here is a description of the video as I want it, and something that will apply to every single one of those inputs, every single one of those script extracts, and every single one of those styles, and I've included the references for each of those 3 things in that full prompt. I've also put in information about the sound I want, including accent. That actually didn't work very well in the end. If I were doing this as more of a 1-hour challenge, we'd have spent a lot more time honing and perfecting that. And we can see our outputs here. I've stitched these together in Pencil's video template editor for you to take a proper look at. So let's dive in and see all of the results.
Welcome to the Pencil community, your one-stop shop for all things pencil.
Creative inspiration, helping you to unlock your talent. Comprehensive training, support, and troubleshooting.
A place to chat with other users and learn from each other.
And watch out for our exciting competitions and some cool rewards.
And I left in a bit of a blooper with that lovely seagull squawk on the claymation, which is by far my favourite bit. So it's super simple. I'm going to pop all of my prompts, all of my cell references, and an overview of the whole spreadsheet into a blog on the Pencil community platform. So go check that out and then have a go making your own, and please do share them with us. Thank you.